An external auditor has important responsibilities, but the law also gives the auditor certain rights to perform those responsibilities effectively. Let's break them down. The first duty of an external auditor is to examine the company's financial statements. For example, the auditor checks whether sales, expenses, assets, and liabilities have been properly recorded. The second duty is to issue an audit report. This report communicates the auditor's opinion to shareholders on whether the financial statements can be relied upon. The third duty is to state whether the financial statements give a true and fair view and whether they have been prepared in accordance with the applicable financial reporting framework, such as IFRS. In Nigeria, CAMA 2020 requires the auditor to determine whether proper accounting records have been kept and whether the financial statements agree with those records. If the auditor cannot obtain sufficient information or discovers that legal requirements have not been met, the auditor must clearly report those matters. To perform an effective audit, the law gives external auditors the right to inspect all accounting books, records, and supporting documents at any time.
Auditors also have the right to request any information or explanation they need from management. For example, they may ask why a large expense suddenly increased during the year.
If the auditor disagrees with management, the auditor has the legal right to speak directly to shareholders on matters affecting the audit. The auditor may explain why a qualified audit opinion was issued. When shareholders make decisions through written resolutions instead of meetings, the auditor has the right to receive copies of those resolutions. So remember, external auditors have 5 key duties and 5 important rights under CAMA 2020. Their report is based on professional judgment and expresses an opinion, not a guarantee, because auditors cannot examine every single transaction. If this video helped you, like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more auditing lessons made simple.